VKR modded rigger. Start, stop, read. Zeroed out. We have GPS 4AF7, 12 satellites. Track start. Check for movement. Registering. Let's hope for a good run. Way down there. My mods make it run better than the kit mod, or the kit itself. Boy, what's that tell you? Man, I tell you, some of these manufacturers out there, it's not that they're bad, but when a chump like me with very little experience can come along and make some mods to make it better, I shouldn't have to do that. You know, all your soft aluminum garbage that's out there. You know, if you guys were up to par, if the boat industry was up to par like the car industry, where you got a lot of titanium parts, 70-75 aluminum, you might see a lot better performance in the boat world. Not that it's bad, but you know, there's always room for improvement, in my opinion. Anyways, let's get down to business. Same GPS, 4AF7. Still have movement. Check the speed, stop, read. 123. Yeah, baby. 123 VKR modded rigger. 123, baby. So on this, you can see we got the sponsons move forward, and that's all I'm going to show you for right now.